Hold on. Stop scrolling. If you never drink a real Jamaican pumpkin punch yet, you're missing out on pure life. Look at this richness. Gone in 2 seconds. Empty. Trust me, this is the ultimate energy booster. And here is the secret. Do not, and I repeat, do not throw away the skin. Most people peel off the skin, but the skin is full of zinc, fiber, iron. All I'm doing is washing it, making sure that it is clean, and keeping everything. Slice it up, drop it in the pot, and make it boil down until it is soft. This is pure stamina food, good for your heart and your eyesight. Now we're on to the good part. We're gonna pour in some condensed milk, some vanilla, a little dash of cinnamon powder, and some spice, and we're gonna blend it. We're gonna sweeten it to perfection. Blend it until it is smooth and creamy like silk. No need for straining. We're not getting rid of anything. We are using everything. Look at this. Mad. Pour it over some heavy ice. Jamaica, Jamaica. If you want the full recipe, check the description box. Smash that subscribe button and tell me in the comments if you're keeping the skin on. Bless up everybody.
Enjoy. Wow, good.